Tools and equipments in propagating trees and fruit-bearing trees. For our first activity, you are going to identify the following tools if it is used in gardening or not. Hoe. A tool used in digging and loosening hard, dry soil. It has a thin blade across the end for a long handle. Rake. A long-handled tool having a bar at one end with teeth in. It is used for smoothing the soil and gathering loose leaves, hay, or straw. Trowel. A tool with a curved blade used for loosening the ground and taking up small plants. Axe. A tool with a flat, sharp blade fastened to a handle used for cutting trunk of trees and other branches. Crowbar. A straight, heavy iron bar pointed at one end, about 4 feet in length, used for digging holes and for planting seeds. Bolo. A tool with a wooden or metal handle in which a long blade is attached. It is used for cutting tall grasses and branches of trees. Shovel. A broad scoop attached to a handle. It is used to dig, lift, and throw loose matter. Fork. A tool resembling a table fork but much bigger in size. It is used in digging and preparing the soil for the plants. Water sprinkler. A can with a spout to sprinkle water on the plants. Plants should be watered every day to make them grow healthier. Wheelbarrow. Used to transfer soil, plants, and other materials from one place to another. Hose. Used for watering seedlings arranged in mass. Sprayer. Used for spraying chemicals to eliminate plant seeds. Weighing scale. For weighing plants, seeds, and fertilizers. Pieces of wood or bamboo. Used for fences of seed boxes and plots to protect plants from being destroyed by animals. Pruning shears. Used for cutting small branches, including the unnecessary branches. Garden gloves. Used while working in the garden. Made of strong rubber to protect from thorns and withstand punctures.